Google's best Gemini demo was faked.
Is highly edited.
It's been faked.
Why would you believe it is real?
The stock is now negative.
Okay, tell me what happened from the start.
Google released their own AI to compete with ChatGPT.
Wait, so they didn't already have AIs with them?
They kinda did, but its brain, like ChatGPT has its brain like GPT-4, the latest model with all the data. Every GPT-1 had lesser data, lesser knowledge than GPT-4. Just like that, Bard had Lambda and Palm models. They both were nothing compared to GPT-4, like nothing. So now they released their new AI models.
Wait, new ones? There are more AIs by Google?
Yup! Gemini Nano, Gemini Pro, Gemini Ultra.
What are the differences?
Okay, so basically Gemini Nano is the one that is in Pixel phones. They have all this data of a normal, brain, like an AI inside phone. So you don't need network to use them.
What about Pro and Ultra?
So pretty much Gemini Pro is kinda competing with GPT-3, you can say. That is like the next brain after Palm and Lambda, the third brain of Bard, Google's language model. Gemini Pro. But Gemini Ultra on the other hand is like super capable. It can take videos which ChatGPT can't do, and it's like totally other level. It's better than GPT-4. I think, but when GPT-5 releases, it's going to be pretty much the same level though. Gemini Pro has released to the public, but Gemini Ultra has yet to come. That's where I feel GPT-5, by the time GPT-5 comes, only is when Gemini Ultra is going to come.
No, Raul, you're wrong. Gemini has already came. That is the problem with you releasing the video link. Got it? Bye.
Oh, okay. But what is the scam here?
Oh yes, you know about Gemini Ultra, right? It has not yet released to the public. Google kind of released a demo of it online. They showed it talking to a person in real time with having its own voice.
What the quack? I was just talking about a blue duck, and now you're holding one.
And it was playing rock, paper, scissors with that person. Imagine. He's crazy. In real time, it knew what to play. Like that had that brain. Even GPT-4 can't do that. And fun fact, it even created music in real time.
I see you're drawing a guitar. You've added an amp. Now it's an electric guitar. We can make some seriously loud music now. Given that you added drums, how about some 80s hair metal? Alright, I see you've added a palm tree to the drawing. Change it up with some beachy vibes.
There are AIs that do it, but everything together, that has never come. GPT-4 can't create real-time music. But in reality
what?
Chill bro. But in reality, the whole video, right, was faked.
Really?
Yup, I'll tell you how. So I told you a person was talking to the human, right? Like the AI was talking to the human. Well, it was just another human, not the AI speaking. And I told you about it playing rock, paper, scissors. Basically, that is also fake. And I told you about the music generating it online live that could never be done before. That was just taken off the internet. Everything that did in the video, if we put it just as a text and image, even ChatGPT can do that. GPT-4, it is supposed to be the GPT-4 killer, right? The Gemini Ultra, well, pretty much it was all faked to seem as if it was. And I tried the same prompts and images in GPT, and yes, that is what I got. I got literally similar answers to what Gemini gave.
Okay, but how can I trust you? Like, you can't just say, trust me, bro. We are talking about one of the biggest companies in the world. Lying. Where are the facts?
I have an answer for that too. So in the same video of Google, deep buried down in the description, tucked away, there was a link. If you click it, you can see how they made that whole prompting and all that. And the same thing if you do in ChatGPT, it will give you the same results. So like I felt there was nothing new there,
Bro, that's crazy.
Told you.
I guess the people who didn't watch till the end missed all of this. And if you want more content like this every day, subscribe to this channel.
What are you talking about? Anyway, don't tell this to anyone because if anybody knows about this, I could be in danger.
No, I would never do that.
Okay. My name is Raul. You're watching Raultherockstar, and I am signing out. Thank you. Do watch that video too. He is mental, guys.
I guess now the whole world knows about this.